हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
Good morning, sun shines so bright. Learning time, what a delight. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Happy kids, just like me. E is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce it instead, yo. C is for cat, meow meow say. D is for duck, quack quack all day. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Easy you see. Numbers marching in a line. Learning maths is super fine. Red and yellow, blue and green, prettiest colors ever seen. Mix them up and what you'll find, a rainbow made just in your mind. Wash your hands clean and bright. Brush your teeth morning and night. Healthy habits, good and true. Happy body just for you. Jump up high, bend down low. Move your body fast and slow. Spin around, touch your toes. Exercise helps your body grow. Please and sorry, thank you too. Magic words we always use. Share your toys and help a friend. Kindness makes us smile till the end. Good night, moon, twinkle star. You did great, you're a star. Learn and play the whole day through. Fun and learning just for you. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।